Just got a 2016 Dodge Ram 3500 Cummins. It's a Longhorn dually. But yeah, we're gonna try, like I said, we're gonna try to get 25K. The retail on it with rebuilt title is about 29,000. So I mean, it's a 2016. It's a Cummins. You know what I'm saying? 4x4 diesel. So we're gonna try. Just keep you guys updated. I'm gonna get the front bumper on. And then but yeah, I got this for about 9,000, about 9,500 with the fee. Just cleaning her up now. It's got 180 on it. It is a rebuilt title though. Had front end damage or side damage. She was very dirty. They had an aftermarket bumper on it, ranch hand. They took it off. The accident was right here, this area, side. It's a limited, pretty clean truck. 180 on it, 2016. I just did a full delete on it, straight piped it. See the straight pipe? It's got no mechanical issues, just cosmetics. As you can tell, bumper right there, dent. They had a flatbed on it. I seen the accident photos. I'll pop it up here. It was really right here on the side. It wasn't too bad, really. The fender, you could tell, you see the paint right there. I don't know why they did that, but that's what they did. I got the bumper already. Just gotta get it on there. Might either paint those or have steel caps on it, so it makes it look better, you know. It's a rebuilt title, but the MMR on it was 19,000, like with the rebuilt and all that good stuff. The Carfax is about 24. It's got like a bunch of buttons that I tracked them down. They're all cut. But yeah, dude, I got this shit for 9,000. Fee about 9,500. Bumper with brackets. Paid about 430. So I'm about 10K in. Straight pipe, I think I paid 200. So 430, 630, about 10,100 in. Minus the labor myself, but yeah, man, we'll see what we're gonna try to get after we get all cleaned up and stuff. Put the new bumper on. It's pretty solid. And she sold. So this is actually finally sold. Guy's coming right now with the money. We got 20,500. Cheap. The guy got a great deal on it. All right, guys, the 2016 Ram, good sale, good profit. Like I said in the video, we got it for 9,500 almost, with like $600-700 bucks in it. 10,000 and some change we're in. Sold it for about 20,500. No, we did sell it for 20,500 plus tax, tag, and title. Uncle Sam wants his cut, but listen, dude, made a good chunk on that one. 10,000 and some change. It was good profit. It took about like 2 weeks. We're just waiting on the bumper, so it took about like 3 weeks. I posted it took about 2 weeks, sold it. And yeah, dude, he got a great deal. I got an even better deal, but you know, I'm waiting for these videos, you know, to post after a few months, because I don't want to post it and the guy's like, fuck, you know. But he got a great deal regardless. Books at 29,000, all that good stuff. But yeah, man, that shit was good. It was a nice truck, looking truck. 2016 Laramie Longhorn, you know what I'm saying? Can't get it for nothing like that. But I got all the great deals. Got more videos coming. Diesel trucks, sport cars, all that stuff. I'm just waiting. You know, they sold, but I'm just waiting for it to pass. So, you know, gotta wait.
Mami, te siento